Oh my God, guys, I can't wait to show you. This is the perfect pizza. After you see this pizza, go ahead, you need to subscribe, but most importantly, you need to share this video. Before everything, let's go ahead, let's cut the pizza. I show you inside. Come here, please, come here. One question, really quick, that's how I'm gonna start this video. Did you ever had some issues with the pizza dough? When your pizza dough is overproof, or when your pizza dough is too sticky, when your pizza dough is too hard, or is like impossible to work? Well, this is the video for you that we are going to learn together. I'm going to teach you how can you fix the dough from any kind of pizza dough that is like impossible to work. So yes, it's possible to fix it, and this is how we're gonna do it. So let me show you. So today we have a party, and I just discovered that it's impossible to work this dough. I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna get it all, because something happened, and this can happen to you, and that's what we're gonna do here today. I'm here to show you all the secret and teach you everything for free that nobody does. So like you can see here, the dough, look at this. It can be easy to work, but I discovered it's really strong, but I discovered that it's super sticky. Right now you don't see it, but this is still need to grow a little bit. So I want to show you really quick what we are talking about and how sticky it is. So look how sticky it is. I'm gonna put it in the flour. I wanna pretend that this is the pizza that I'm going to stretch. Keep in mind, this is just out of the fridge, so we cannot use this. See? It gets hard, or it can be really, see, if I'm going to put the ingredients on this pizza, what happens is gonna stick right here, or when I'm going to pick it up on the peel, it's gonna stick on the peel, so it's really hard to work. What I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna adjust this to be able to have the dough nice and smooth and not sticky, and this is good for tonight or even tomorrow. So I'm gonna grab the whole dough as it is. I'm gonna go ahead and dump it inside the mixer, and then I'm gonna add just the flour, and then I'm going to teach you the whole process in this video. So please make sure you watch until the end for support. It's totally free, and that's it. Oh, today I'm going to show you how to fix it if the dough is too sticky. But while we are making the dough, explain to you what you're gonna do if the dough is too hard, or if the dough is too old. So I'm going to teach you all these steps. Let's go ahead and let's start this video. Okay, like I say here, I'm gonna go ahead and use the whole pizza dough that I made. So write down this. It might seem a little bit confusing, but it's not. I made yesterday 8 liters of water. So the perfect recipe is 70%. So here I have the dough that is 85%. So that's why it's so sticky, impossible to work. So I want to bring this dough to 70%. What we're gonna do here, we're gonna go ahead and add the flour that we're missing. So you have to do the calculation, and you are able to add the flour. Done with the dough is there. I made a calculation. So this one, we made a mistake, and it's 85, so I want to bring it to 70%. So what I did is 1.450 grams of flour times 8 liters minus whatever I put yesterday. So 1,300 grams times 8. And this is what we have left. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the 1 kilo and 200 grams of flour. But you cannot just add like that, otherwise we're going to screw up the dough, it's gonna break. I create a new recipe, which is that nobody does this online to teach you, but this is 30 years of experience. I'm going to try to explain you details by details. So we have 1 liter of water, 35 grams of salt, and 1,450 grams of flour. No yeast, because that's the whole dough. This is gonna be ready tonight. So let's go ahead, let's add the rest of the flour of the new dough, the salt. Speed number 1, we have to wait that this flour gets integrated in the whole dough. So it have to be all one piece before adding the 1 liter of water. If you have the dough too hard, what you're gonna do is you have to do the same thing, but you have to add the remaining water or extra water. So you go by ice. That is gonna bring back to life the dough. Now, if you have the dough old, there is the gluten structure is breaks, so the dough breaks. That means that it's dead. The yeast is dead. So what you do in that case is you do the same thing, but in the little water, you're going to add the 10 grams of dry yeast or 10 grams of fresh yeast. And you want to increase by 2% the salt. The salt will make the gluten structure much more stronger. Please comment below if you have any question. I will answer to all of your comments. Okay, like you can see, the dough is getting all together. So now it's time to go ahead and add the water little by little on the side. This way we clean up all this flour that is on the side there. I'm gonna go ahead and add the water little by little until this amount of water it's over, and then it's done. So usually it's gonna take about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, here we go. The water was absorbed. Now let's give it a little test. Yeah, like you can see, it's really strong. The gluten structure, grab a piece. The gluten structure, that's what we want. It's strong, it's not sticky like before. So we fix it. We grab a little bit of olive oil, we put it on the counter. So we're gonna go ahead and try to grab the dough. Ooh. And place on top of the counter. That's the perfection dough. And then you're going to see all the gluten structure build tonight when we make the pizza. So now the dough is on top of the counter. What we're gonna do here is make a nice ball, big one. Now flip it over and make it nice and tight. Olive oil, massage a little bit. And now we let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. The time to sit down is gonna be much easier to make the balls. So like you can see, the dough is nice and relaxed. So now it's gonna be much easier to make the balls. So let's go ahead. I wanna show you how strong it became and not sticky. So olive oil in your hands, and now go ahead and make the dough balls. So we make all the balls, and then I'm gonna go ahead, place it in the box and let it rest for about 4 hours at room temperature, and the dough is ready. Make sure you smash that like and subscribe. See you later. I'll show you a magical, fantastic, special pizza, not a margherita today. I'll see you later. 4 hours exactly passed by, and this is the dough. Like you can see, boom. We have the dough nice, strong, lift up. This is the pizza dough, like you can see, nice and strong. For this pizza, we created a chickpeas cream, so everything is homemade. And then for the second, we made this amazing guanciale, which is the cheek of the pig for the second. So we cut it and then we cook it with the same fat till it's nice and crispy, just like that. And then we put some pecorino and grana cheese, and then we made some chips of cheese that we're gonna put on top. So we cook this in the same pizza oven. And besides this, let's go ahead and let's test the pizza dough. So let's go ahead, let's put flour. Look how strong it is. Nice, compact. That's what we are talking about. Look how easy it's going to be when we stretch it. Look, we press the air to the cross, boom, we block it, then we turn around, we do the same thing, then block it, done. Take off all the flour, we don't need it anymore, because the dough is nice and dry. See, easy to work. Here we go, the dough is nice and stretched. So as a base, we're going to use a nice scoop of chickpeas cream. Then we add some fat from the same guanciale. Then we go ahead and we spread this fat with chickpeas everywhere on the pizza. I'm gonna put a little bit of Parmesan cheese on the bottom. Then we put a little bit of guanciale, really tasty. So we don't wanna put too much. Then we go ahead and we put fresh mozzarella on top. Little bit of flour, pinch it, and then boom, peel under. Did you see how easy was that? Let's go ahead and let's cook it. Boom, voila. Now we cook it until the mozzarella starts to bubbling. Oh my God, guys. I can't wait to show you. This is the perfect pizza. You need to share this video. Oh, wow. I think I passed myself today. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Get ready with the click on the like. I know everybody said, don't ask. I ask because this pizza deserves a, oh my God. Boom. Get the shot right there. Let's see the most important thing. Let's see the most important thing. It is soft and crunchy. Shh. Wow! Wow! Don't touch it anymore. We have to complete this pizza. We put a little bit of basil. Boom, boom, boom. Just to give it a nice look. Let's go ahead. Let's place this thing like this. Dum, dum, dum. Voila. Voila. Break it. Look how crunchy it is and crispy. And guys, we place this beast on a plate. Voila. Keep it right there. Stay right there. Stay right there with me. Stay right there with me. I want to show you guys. Guys, Hami, tell me if this beast doesn't deserve their like. Wow. We have a line outside of people because they are waiting for us to open. But guys, I want to show you this before everything. Let's go ahead. Let's cut the pizza. I show you inside. Oh my. Oh, I mean, come here, please. Come here. Look how soft it is. Look how soft it is. You cut this pizza, boom, 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 voila. Look how light it is when I break it. Look. Whoa. You dip this in the dip. Oh. It's super light, but they stay there. Insane the taste. Try this at home. Please tell me in comment if you understand everything. Tell me in comment if you do not understand anything. But go ahead, I'll see you at the next one. Every week, new video from my Iacopelli.